Finally, another update on the Harley Wishbone frame build, and I think this is number 15 here. As you can see, I got the cast cut off my hand. That was about a week ago. I alternatively wear and don't wear a brace and a compression sleeve to control the swelling. But my hand's getting better. I'd say I have about 60% of my grip strength, so I can hold some tools, both hand tools and power tools. So I think I can start drilling holes and doing grinding. But basically, those of you that have followed this build from the beginning, remember that I started with this chunk, and from that chunk, I have a complete wishbone frame mocked up. Basically, what's next is going through all of these various pieces of tubing. I have some cracks that have to be repaired yet that I haven't dealt with. A lot of drilling of rosette holes and chamfering of tubes. So I think I'll probably be able to get most of that prep work done this week, and then once that's done, I will get the whole thing put back together and start coming up with a strategy to get the thing welded together. So, short update today. Keep hanging on. Like, share, subscribe, comment if necessary with any questions. Thanks.